Hey guys, welcome here. So in this video I'm gonna show you the comparison between Placester and Real Geek. So simply you know the both websites are very popular. So for the real estate designer to control their online presence. So just simply how you can make a comparison between these two popular websites for real estate. So just as you can see, just visit this website and here I will show you the comparison. So just scroll down and here you can see first of all the rating. So simply in the Plaster you can see the 82 reviews, so this is the star rating, and after that in the next section here you can see the 62 reviews for Real Geeks. So you can check the rating and review here. After that on the next market segments, small business 80.0% of reviews, small business 91.5% of reviews. So for the small business you can see the Plaster has less reviews and the Real Geek has high reviews. Now starting $64 per month, no pricing information available for Real Geek. In the next here you can see the pricing in details like starting 64, advanced 120, office builder plan 240 per month, and here you can see the customer $1250. So this is the Plaster pricing, and after that on Real Geek you can see the free trial is unavailable and the price is not available here. So simply after that here you have to check the ratings like meet requirements 7.4. Here you can check the meet requirements 6.1. Response you can also check. Ease of use, so simply you can see the rating is same 8.2, and in the next step ease of setup. So just you can check the Plaster rating 8.8 and here you can check the 7.4. In the next ease of admin, here you can see the rating is 8.4. In the next you can see the 7.9. So now quality of support, so just this is important, just here you can check 7.5, and in this case Real Geek has the good quality of support 8.4. Just in this section you can check the ratings, and now product direction percent positive 5.6, 7.4. So now after this just scroll down and here you can see the futures. Now come to futures. So lead generation verified futures, here you can check the rating 6.8, and here you can check that 8.5 ratings. Now social media integration, so here you can check the ratings is 7.4. You can also check the response under the ratings, and now here you can check the 7.3. In the next CRM integration, here you can check the ratings in this section 6.9, and here you can find the 8.7. So simply real relationship management for real estate marketing software. So you can check the rating under this section. Now presentation for real estate marketing software. So now website builder 9.1 the highest rating, response is 19, and in this section you can see the 7.8 is rating. So MLS integration, so now if you are well aware of marketing software you will get to know that these ratings are really important for this. Now here you can check the ratings 8.8, futures is not available. In the next SEO strategization, so simply here you can see check 7.7, in the next 7.2 IDX website. So now here you can check 8.6 rating, 8.6 response 22 and 13. Now client management for real estate CRM software, lead scoring futures not available, but in the Real Geek section you can see. Now you can check others like lead generation rating 6.5, 8.2. Now task management for real estate CRM software, so just as you can see we have also checked this. Now platform branding for real estate marketing software, so operability not enough data available, not enough data available. Brand management, so no data available. Now here platform content for real estate marketing software, social media management no data available for both. Communication management no data available. Website management no data available. Campaign building no data available. platform additional functionality for real estate marketing software reporting, not enough data available. So simply platform integration for real estate marketing software, integration with real estate CRM, integration with virtual tour, integration with real estate activities management. So you can check these features on both websites are not available. Now platform features for real estate CRM software. So contact and account management, response 16, rating 6.5. Here you can check 7.8 rating. So opportunity pipeline management features not available. Here you can check the rating. Task activity management, this feature is not available. Simply here you can check the ratings. Listing management features not available. Simply you can check the rating 7.2. Email marketing features not available. So simply here you can check the ratings. Transaction management features are not available, but here you can check the rating. Lead management, in the same way you can check the both ratings available. So CMA management, forecasting and reporting dashboards, so here the features are not available, so here you can check the ratings. Now reviews, company size, like here this is important. So for small business 50, 80, 80.0, 90.91.9. So mid market you can check rating 12.5, 8.5. Enterprise above 1000, 7.5. And in this section Real Geek is have 0%. So reviews industry, here you can check also the all details regarding real estate marketing and advertising, computer networking, law enforcement, information technology, service, others. So categories, here you can check the categories. So finally here you can check all the reviews, most helpful, favorable reviews. So finally here you will find also the alternatives. So now finally you understand that we have made a useful comparison for both websites. After that you have to select that which website is useful for you. So in this way you can use these two websites and